Okay, now we are demonstrating Facebook extractor software. Here, after installation, you have to open your Facebook extractor software. It's a server-based software, so don't worry about updation. It will automatically update your software from our server. This is the dashboard of the software. In terms of services, you can see download Facebook token generator. Token generator is a must. You have to copy this link and put into your browser and just download that token generator software. After that, you have to just go to into your extension. In extension, you have to just add this extractor token generator. Okay, I will show you how it will work. Okay, now I will open the browser. After the downloader, I will open extension. In extension, you will see here developer mode. You have to on that developer mode. After that, just load the unpacked and you can take the Facebook extractor. Okay, and now just select it. It will automatically show this like this, and you have to attach this here in extension. Okay, now we will open Facebook here. For login into the software, we need a token generator, so I will just open this access token. Here I will put my password and click on get token. After that, you have to just copy that token ID from the software and you have to paste here and just log in. After login, here you can see the list of the leads where you can extract the lead from Facebook profile, leads from Facebook post, lead from Facebook group, leads from Facebook page, and leads from Facebook place. Right now we will start with lead from Facebook profile. In here we will extract the friend list. Okay, after friend list, you have to just copy your UID number here. I will just copy that and I will paste in the software. Multiple UID. You can paste other friends UID also for extracting the friends data. If you want to extract the friend data, you can just put their UID here. It will extract their friend list. This is my friend list. It's extracting. You can see here unique ID number. This is my friends UID number. You can using this you can extract their friends also. So here the name, here the mobile address, mobile name, here the email ID, birth date, gender, location, address, hometown, languages. You can see it will come like this. Okay, I will just stop it. After that, I will check which page I liked. I will just open this and start. You can see here these are the page I liked on Facebook, so it will come here. This is the page ID and we need this page ID to extract the data. Okay, so it will work like this. I will just stop it. After that, we can see the group post and extract from lead group. I will show you how to extract the lead from group. Here you can see third option, lead from Facebook group. You have to open it. After that, just in terms and services, you can see here find my FB ID. Just copy this and open that website here. Whatever group data if you want to extract, you can extract. I will just take it TCS. I will just search and I need a group. Okay, so these are the groups. I only need public group because this software never extract private groups data. Okay, I will just open any kind of group here. I will just open this TCS employee network and I will copy the URL and I will paste here. You can see and just get FB ID. Now software will show you the FB ID. You have to copy this and paste into the software. Add multiple group ID. Just paste here and just click on OK and then start. After that, what software does, software will extract the groups data which is available on publicly. Okay, now here you can see it will extracting the data from the group. Okay, you can see the mail IDs, birth date, gender, location, hometown, languages. Okay, and username. It will extract one by one. This is the demo purpose, so I will stop here. and I will show you the next thing. Here in leads from Facebook page, in here you can add the keywords. It will search by the keyword on the FB. Like you know that every business is now having the FB page, so you will get the proper data from the pages also. Okay, I will show you. I will just search digital marketing Pune. So I will just put this keyword and click on start. After start, it will extract all the digital marketing pages in Pune, the database from the Pune. Okay, you can see here the name of that business, that page. You can see the category, the likes, tagline, address, phone number, email ID, website, about us, everything that pages having the data. You can directly send them message, or you can mail them for your business purpose. You can see the data will come like this. Okay, so after this I will just stop because it's a demo purpose. You can extract this clicking on just extract button, it will extract the data. So we will take one page. In here you can see that you can just copy this page ID. Okay, and I will come into the second option, leads from Facebook post. Here you have to just scan post from page ID and group ID. You can put page ID also, you can put group ID also. I will put that page ID and I will click on start button. And you know that how to find the page ID. You can open the page which you want to open, and just copy that URL and just paste here. It will show you that page unique ID number. So you can copy that ID and just paste here in the software. You can see now it will extracting the post from that particular digital marketing page, which I want to extract their shared comment numbers and shared number data. Okay. So this is the demo process. Again I will stop here. After that I will just click on export button. It will automatically save in Excel sheet file. After that I will just open it. Okay, you can see the page ID and post ID. You have to just copy the page ID, post ID, just minimize it and come into the software. Select the second option, shared user, and just paste your all the post IDs here and just start. Now it will search the data from the post ID and it will extract the data of users which are commented on or shared on that particular post. Okay, after that I will show you how to extract data from page comment also. Okay, you can see it will come data like this. Okay, this is the demo purpose. For that I will just stop here. Okay, after that we will go for comment users, and again I will click on start button. Now it will extract the commented user data from that particular post. Only you need the post ID to extract the data from the post. Okay, again it's a demo, so I will just stop here. After that I will show you the last option, leads from Facebook place. Here you have to just mention your keyword, whatever keyword you are looking for, like software company, and place it's Pune, and just start. Now it will search Pune based companies or software pages, and it will extract the data of their companies or pages. Okay, it will work like this. So this is the Facebook extractor software you can use for extracting data from the Facebook pages. For this I will suggest you can use your another account for this to extract the data. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.